Kaylin Kairos trudged through the hospital's dimly lit corridors, her worn sneakers making soft squeaks on the linoleum floor. She had worked at St. Elwes for 5 years, but lately, every day felt like Groundhog Day. Same faces, same routines, same endless stream of patients in need. As a nurse manager, Kaylin was responsible for maintaining order and ensuring the hospital's efficient operation. As she approached the nurse's station, her gaze landed on Amaranth Thorne, her trusted colleague, reviewing patient charts with an air of quiet intensity. Amaranth's expression never wavered, even when discussing the most dire cases. Kaylin found it unnerving but couldn't deny her admiration for the younger nurse's dedication. "Good morning, Kay," Amaranth said, not looking up from the chart in front of her. "We've got a code brown on the 3rd floor." Kaylin nodded and made her way to the elevator, mentally preparing herself for another day of dealing with the hospital's intricacies. The ride up seemed longer than usual, and by the time she arrived at the patient's room, her mind was already numb. The patient, an elderly woman named Mirabelle, lay on her side, staring blankly at the wall as if trying to recall a long-forgotten memory. Kaylin recognized the look. It was a mix of confusion and desperation that she'd seen countless times before. As she began reviewing Mirabelle's chart with Amaranth by her side, Kaylin couldn't shake off the feeling that something was amiss. Amaranth moved methodically around the room, checking equipment and vital signs without so much as glancing at Kaylin. The precision in every motion made Kaylin's skin crawl. It wasn't just Amaranth's efficiency, it was the way she seemed to know exactly what needed to be done before being told. "Mirabelle's oxygen levels are dropping," Amaranth said, her voice a monotone whisper. "We need to adjust the settings on her ventilator." Kaylin hesitated for an instant before nodding and following Amaranth's instructions to the letter. As they worked, Kaylin found herself questioning her own actions, wondering if she was truly doing what needed to be done or merely following procedure. The minutes ticked by with agonizing slowness as Mirabelle's condition continued to deteriorate. Kaylin couldn't help but feel like a puppet on strings, being pulled and manipulated by unseen forces that seemed to be working through Amaranth. "Kay," Amaranth said, her eyes locked onto Kaylin's face with an unnerving intensity. "We need to get Mirabelle prepped for the CT scan." In that moment, Kaylin realized she was trapped in a nightmare from which she couldn't awaken.